Hello, this is Claude, and today I'm doing a quick video about the MSI GE62MVR Apache Pro versus the Razer Blade 2016, and I'm going to do a fan noise comparison between the two. The fan noise comparison is being done in full gaming mode, full power, full fan, and everything. So it's at the maximum that you will see it. So it is a worst case scenario. Both laptops, when used in eco mode, will be will not make any noise whatsoever. So if you do just internet or Excel or business work, you will not have any fan noise whatsoever. So just a reminder, this is in full gaming mode with fans at the maximum level. All right. So you will see on the video that the MSI, the Apache Pro, is on average at 48 decibels with a GTX 1070 GPU, and the Razer Blade which has a GTX 1060 lesser GPU, will have a higher decibel reading on average at 54 decibels. So the difference is about 12.5% louder on the Razer Blade. So smaller machine, lesser GPU, but still needs to evacuate the heat, faster. So it's going to be a little louder. So that's what it is. Also, you were pointing out that since life goes on when we do these videos, we have jobs and we have a life to live. There is a washing machine working in the background on the Razer Blade section. The decibel meter was showing less than 30 at the distance, so it does not impact the reading of the decibel meter, the app on the phone next to the laptop. All right, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope that it will help someone. All right, thank you.